takes a can-do attitude and being flexible and proactive about finding solutions.
We need to be adaptable and fluid.
Challenge yourself to go to different direction and explore what you really want to do.
So you need to be bold and brave and take courage and go for it.
If you continue to ask why all the time, this is how you'll make the difference.
You need to trust yourself and your instinct and your skills.
Have a willingness to be resourceful and adaptable.
My advice is to keep on learning new stuff that's related to the subject that you're interested in.
The fact that you're giving everything that you have, that itself is enough. You don't have to be a perfectionist.
If you don't do it, no one else is going to do it for you.
Go and just do it.